This is a hotel we are staying in Canmore. Here has a very clean bathroom. Here has a kitchen. And here's a sitting room. And here's a bedroom. This is a lounge. This is called Engine Bridge. Someone is taking marriage photo here.
That's a nice picture, isn't it? You're gonna come here? You're gonna come here and have your...
Well, seems it's quite a popular place to take a marriage photo here. A fishing buoy. Have you caught a fish? Hey, sir, have you caught a fish?
No, not today. Not since I've been back in Canmore, so I've been fishing almost every day for a month. What's that?
What can you catch here?
Brown trout, bull trout, rainbow trout.
Oh, really? Cool.
According to the little like signs and stuff anyways, there used to be tons, like I used to fish here when I was just a kid. And you used to just drop your hook in and catch rainbow trout like nothing, right where this kid is here. And right into this pool here. And it was like nothing. It was like 10 a day we were catching. We were just letting them all go because we could just come tomorrow and we could sit. Now it's like 25 years later and I can't catch a damn thing.
Is a fish all somebody caught them all alive?
They just migrate. And it becomes difficult to fish this area when there's so many people fishing because the fish kind of move on. And I'm not sure if, I know there's other reasons, I don't know them all. But they do move on eventually, right? In over 2 decades, definitely.
The water's so clean.
Oh, it's so clear, eh? Have you walked down this path?
This is a Canmore.
Sometimes a smaller room is better.
Having dinner in Canmore in this restaurant called the Wood Restaurant and a lunch. This is a really beautiful place. These 2 beers are from Canmore. Very nice.